YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be focused on Longchamp, particularly in the extra small size, with just one exception. So if you've watched any of my prior videos, you may have noticed an astounding amount of videos on Longchamp, particularly the extra small size. It is definitely a small but mighty bag. I've gotten a lot of my Longchamp extra smalls from Kevin. He works at Longchamp and he used to be in Chicago, but now he's opened a new store with Longchamp in San Marcos, Texas, and it is an outlet, just like the Chicago location was. Since the San Marcos location is a new location for Longchamp, they've been getting a fair amount of inventory, so I may be able to help you make your next Longchamp extra small haul possible. So that's why I'm calling this your future Longchamp extra small haul. I have most of the bags that he actually has in stock, and I also have several bags that he may not have in stock, but he can order. And so I thought I would show you what I know is available, and that way if you want to contact him, and I will link his cell phone number in the description box, you can call or text him. If you want to contact him, you could order these bags. Right now they are about 30% off the retail price. Without further ado, let's get started. Two of the Longchamp extra small bags that Kevin has are the slate blue Croc, which is this one. It is a little cutie, and I'm telling you that these Croc bags, they wear like iron. This one has gunmetal hardware, and I love to pair these with a gunmetal chain that I got off Amazon, and I'm not sure if I have it here. Let me grab it. So there are a couple different options, but here's one of them. I like to pair them with a gunmetal chain or wear them with the strap they came with. Now the strap is also Croc and it's a little stiff, but I'm finding that I like it. And so it's nice to have options, right? The second bag I want to show you is this Longchamp that I have in coral. Now my coral bag has silver hardware. He has an orange bag and it's just slightly different in shade, but the hardware is gunmetal. If you like this, he has one almost like it, and it is the orange extra small Croc with gunmetal hardware. So there is number two. The rest of these, he has exactly what I'm showing you. So this is the Duodene extra small quilted bag, and this is in lamb leather, and I'm telling you, it is so freaking soft. The strap on this one, as well as the Croc ones that I just showed you, is not adjustable. So that's why it's nice to have the option of ordering a chain strap and a longer length. For me, at 5'8", it rests really comfortably just above my hip, but that might not work for everybody. But these Duodene bags, they are so amazing. I absolutely love them. And he has this available in the black and also in the white. Next, he has the Taupe extra small, and this little cutie, I love it. I have the matching shoulder tote, and they're awesome. I believe he told me the price on this one was $130. That's the only one I can remember off the top of my head. But look how shimmery the nylon is on it. And I did go ahead and spray this with either Apple Guard or Colonel Carbon Pro. And I've used this whenever we were traveling down to Disney and back. So it was my airport bag, and I'm not seeing any issues with wear on it at all. The next bag that I want to show you is this Boucle Croc combo. It has a very pale gold hardware. This chain, pearl chain strap from Samorga, it's a lot more of a yellow gold, but I still think it looks pretty. I don't know that I would carry it with this hanging on it, but this bag is freaking adorable. And it comes with a really cool webbed strap. Now this feels like it's made out of a cotton type material to me. It's again not adjustable, so you might have to get extenders if you are taller than I am or wider than I am. It works for me. It hits me about right here. This pink boxy extra small. I believe he can get this. He's working on it, but he's really good. When he says he's working on it, he almost always can get it. So this is a calfskin and it has a grain to it. It's almost like a Saffiano type texture. I don't know if you can see it. This came in like a beige color and then this pink color. And I swear this pink color was called Peony, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So this has the gunmetal hardware as well. And the strap on these was adjustable, so you can wear it longer, and it is a little stiff, but it still works. You can also pair it with the chain strap. And last but not least is this red Longchamp extra small. This one also has the gunmetal hardware, and he not only has this color, but he also has white. So this is made out of the Matisse leather. It's extremely soft and pliable. I like to either have a base shaper in it or an insert, like from Samorga. And they're the only ones I found so far that make organizers for this size. The base shaper that I have, I'll put a link in the description box, but I've gotten that from M Boutique Australia, and I did a video on that. So you can definitely do either option with this bag just to keep it from sagging at the bottom. Right now I've got the organizer in it, which is why I can squish it like this. So again, this is available in the red or the white through Kevin at the San Marcos outlet. And last but not least, this is the bag I'm going to switch into for today. This is not the extra small size. This is the small size. But unlike the other small size bags, this one does come with D-rings right here and right here. The extra small bags all come with a strap of some sort, not always crossbody, as you'll see in my next video, but this one comes with no strap. It's essentially strap ready. And Kevin has this bag available, but also, well, I shouldn't say he has it available. He can order this bag for you, but he also can get the larger beach size version of this, which is not something you could put a strap on, but it is still great. And Autumn Beckman actually did a video on that one. I will try to link that below if I can find it. But I absolutely love this. I found an insert from Amazon that I already had available. I bought it for, I think, my Speedy, but it was just too stiff for my Speedy, so I ended up getting a Samorga for my Speedy in a thinner felt thickness, but this works great for this bag. This is the bag I am going to switch into for today, and I think I might put this strap with it. This is from my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. It's not an exact match in terms of texture, it's just a little different, but I think it'll look really nice. And the hardware on these Paille bags are very light gold, much like the Boucle one that I just showed you. So let me see, how many bags is that? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags that are in the extra small that Kevin either has or that he can get for you, plus this in 2 different sizes. So that's 11 bags. Imagine if you ordered all of those. It would be like the haul of the century. The prices are great though, so why not? Go do it. No, I'm kidding. That's probably too much, even for me. Even for me. Well, I say even for me, I have 25 extra small bags, so maybe it's not too much for me, but it definitely would be too much for me if I did it all at one time. Anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't been able to find these extra small bags or the Paille straw bag, this is the time. This is your time. This is your moment. I will put Kevin's information down below. Go get them. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.